we talked about your healing room and your emergency room, I want to elaborate a little bit more on how you get kicked into that emergency room and the cycle that you often get stuck in when you're in that emergency room. And what that's called is the fear, tension, pain cycle. So what happens is that when you start to focus on a fear, your body gets tense. And when you get tense, especially if you are moving through childbirth, you start to experience pain. And when you experience pain, guess what happens? You feel more fear and you get kicked into this cycle. And later we're going to get very deep into different breathing techniques, but right now I'm going to mention that as one of the main ways to get you out of that cycle and kick you out over into the healing room. When you notice yourself in that fear, tension, pain cycle, just start to breathe really deeply, even if it feels so inorganic, even if it feels like the last thing you want to do, force yourself to breathe, because it's almost impossible to be living in that emergency room, to be living in that space of anxiety, of fear, tension, pain, when you're filling your body with peaceful oxygen, when you're breathing deeply. And if you're having trouble reminding yourself how to breathe, take a sip of water first and imagine that it's flushing out that fear, creating the space for you to breathe deeply.